Hello everyone, if you fluently speak in English, describe your surrounded environment. Inside your mind without fear. If you speak English, time always any place anywhere, every time should be practice in English. Everything is start from zero. Then zero will be improve 1, then improve 2. In this way, every man achieve success her life. So no tension. Start your goal. What is your name?
আমার নাম সিফাত।
How old are you?
আমার 8 বছর।
Do you like food?
আমি রুটি খেতে পছন্দ করি।
You seen that feels really nice and green. If you like my work, please follow me. If you like my work, please pray for me, and I also pray for you. Thank you.